Now on inventory, so we click on unit of measurement. That's what we have. So these are the unit of measurement that we have by default in Zoho Books. And you can also enable conversion here. Can enable conversion. We are going to get to that, whereby you convert, you can create like we have 12 pieces in a dozens, 6 pieces in a pack, and that is we can create that while we continue what we have. Then we have assemblies. The assemblies, you want to add field to your assembly. That's it when you produce. Do you want to add additional field? Right? Maybe you can say, let's say we want to add what's an example that I can use to be added to our production field. It's okay. Okay, let's say alternative supplier. An example for that. So that can be a text, can be multi-line, can be anything, and just save. So when you are creating it, this will show up in your list when you are creating that. Inventory adjustment, nothing to do here. So if there is need for approval, you can do that. Want to add additional field to that. Stock count. So the adjustment in stock count, where do you want it to reside? You select that. You pick list. There's nothing we are doing there. Packages. Want to add anything to packages? Want to add maybe an information or button? This button is an advanced one where you have to write some code to create other things and the buttons. So shipment. So do you want to send notification to customer for car shipment? Do you want to do that? If you have that, you do that. You have a dispatch address, you can add that. Then transfer order, that is between company and between branches and branches. That is what transfer order is. So you can also look at the settings here. How do you transfer? What is the price of transferring? You can also enable that. Then users can create transfer order for only the specific location, for all locations, or for destination location. So you can make it only the accessible location, which means that if you have different people on different client, different area, you cannot transfer from other person's warehouse. You can only transfer from your own warehouse. So those are the other things we do under the inventory. That is, after you are done with the item, you also look at the inventory to create some basic settings. So let me save this while we move to the next slide.